In this video, we will discuss about All India Bar Examination 2023 previous year question paper, which was held on the 5th February 2023. The first question is Section 12 of Hindu Maintenance and Adoption Act 1956 deals with option B is correct, effect and adoption. Second question is which of the following categories of cases will not be entered as a public interest litigation PIL? Option D is correct. Next question, which is known as father of public interest litigation PIL in India? Option D is correct, Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Next question, which of the following is not a real purpose of public interest litigation? Option D is correct, getting famous and making wealth. Next question is, in Husainara Khatun versus State of Bihar, fill in the blanks, emerged as a basic fundamental right. Option A is correct, right to speedy justice. Next question is, which of the following writ can be issued against usurpation of public office? Writ of quo warranto. Next question is, Reid Banam Baldwin case deals with? Option B is correct, natural justice. Next question is, meaning of audi alteram partem? The correct answer is a person cannot be condemned without being heard. Option A is correct. Next question is, rules made by Bar Council of India in exercising its rule making power under the Advocate Act 1961. Next question is, which of the following is not a ground of divorce in Hindu Marriage Act? Option D is correct, living separately for less than 3 months. Next question is, Indian Christian can obtain divorce under which of the following enactment? Option C is correct, Indian Divorce Act 1869. Next question is, if any advocate aggrieved by an order of disciplinary committee of State Bar Council made under section 35 of the of the Advocate Act, or Advocate General of the state may prefer and appeal to Bar Council of India within how many days of the date of communication of order? 60 days. Next question is, ABC Private Limited Company choose to convert itself into a public company. It can do so by altering its memorandum of association and article of association and by passing special resolution. Next question is, doctrine of lifting of or pursuing the corporate will is associated with company law. Next question is, under which section of the Environmental Protection Act 1986 an appeal to National Green Tribunal NGT lies? Section 5A. Next question is, which one of the following fundamental duty relates to environmental protection? Article 51 AG. Next question is, Mr. A, who was aggrieved by an order made by controller or an adjudicating officer, made an appeal to Cyber Appellate Tribunal. Later, Mr. A, aggrieved by an order of Cyber Appellate Tribunal, may prefer an appeal only in High Court. Next question is, Mr. X, a person who is intended by Mr. Y, an originator to receive the electronic record, is under the IT Act known as addressee. Next question is, the minimum number of members required for registration of a trade union is 6 members. Next question is, the text of certified standing order shall be prominently posted by the employer and in the language understood by the majority of his workmen. B is correct, English. Next question is, an advocate may, while practicing, take up teaching of law in any educational institution which is affiliated to a university, so long as the hours during which he is so engaged in the teaching of law do not exceed 3 hours in a day. Next question is, in which of the following landmark case the advocate was held guilty of professional misconduct as he had forget the court order? Option A is correct, Pratap Narayan versus YP Raheja. Next question is, suppose road accident occurs Then, being an advocate, what is the correct way to approaching the situation? Option A is correct. First is FIR, petition, summon to insurance company. Next question is, the principle of UV just IB idem remedium was recognized in SV versus White case. Next question is, Gloucester Grammar School case in landmark case based on which of the following maxim? Correct answer is damnum sine injuria. Next question is, the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission under Consumer Protection Act 2019 shall have the jurisdiction to complain where the value of the goods and service paid as consideration exceed. In this question, talk about National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Here the correct answer is 2 crore. Next question is, under section 41 of Consumer Protection Act 2019, an appeal from the order of district commission lies to state commission. Next question is, for an individual to be deemed to be resident in India in any previous year, one of the condition is option A is correct. Next question is, Mr. Kapoor purchased a residential house in January 2021 for 80 lakhs. He sold the house in April 2022 for the 94 lakhs. In this case, the gain of 14 lakhs arising on account of sale of residential house will be charged to tax under which of the following head? Income tax, capital gains. Next question is, a person who has ultimate control over the affair of factory under Factory Act 1948 is called as occupier. Next question is, if the factory employs more than 1000 workers, they should appointed qualified to carry out the prescribed duty, safety officers. Next question is, be the proprietor of a newspaper published at A's request a libel upon C is in the paper, and A agrees to indemnify B against the consequence of the publication, and shall cost and damage of any action in respect thereof. B is sued by C and has to pay damages and also incurs expenses decide in the light of the section 224 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Option A is correct. A is not liable to B upon indemnity. Next question is, a person whom the agent named to act for the principal in the business of agency under the express or implied authority to name is called substituted agent. Next question is, A, injunction can only be granted by the decree made at the hearing and upon the merits of the suit. The defendant is hereby perpetually enjoined from the assertion of a right from the commission of an act which could be contrary to the right of the plaintiff. Perpetual. Next question is, according to section 5 of ESR Act 1963, a person entitled to the possession of specific immovable property may recover it in the manner provided in the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Next question is, where the mortgagor delivers possession of the mortgaged property to the mortgagee and authorizes him to retain such possession until payment of the mortgage money and to receive the rent and profit accruing from the property is lieu of interest or in payment of the mortgage money. The transaction is called as usufructuary. Next question is, Mr. Manjot is trader supplying goods from his Miss Singh Traders. The office of the firm is located in Delhi, whereas its godowns are located in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir respectively. Miss Singh Traders made following intra-state supplies from different states during the current financial year. In this question, option D is correct. Delhi. Next question is the primary GST slabs for any regular taxpayers and presently pegged at. Option C is correct. Next question is which of the following is not negotiable instrument as defined under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 billing receipt. Next question is according to right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013 appropriate government can acquire the land for which of the following purposes. Option D is correct. Next question is specified person under right to fair compensation and transparency in land acquisition, rehabilitation and resettlement act 2013 means any person other than. Option D is correct, all of these. Who shall be the registrar of trademark for the purpose of Trademarks Act 1999? Option A is correct. Next question is which of the following is not a types of IPR, historical indications? Next question is in which of the following case it was decided that a contract with minor is void? Mohari Bibi versus Tharmodas Ghosh. Next question is which of the following is or correct with respect to declaratory decrees under the SRA Act 1963? Both. A and B both. Option C is correct. Next question is by which of the following amendment Act 1985 anti-defection law was added in the Constitution of India 52nd amendment, constitutional amendment? Next question is in which of the following cases the Supreme Court decided that a constitutional amendment is law within the meaning of Article 13 subarticle 2 and therefore it is if it violates any of the fundamental rights it may be declared void? Answer is Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Next question is Uniform Civil Code in India is DPSP. Next question is as per Article 16 no citizen shall on ground only of or any of them be ineligible for or discriminated against in respect of any employment or office under the state. Option A is correct. Next question is the minimum number of judges who are to sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving a substantial question of law as to the interpretation of this constitution or for the purpose of hearing any reference under Article 143 shall be. Option D is correct, 5. Next question is according to the Article 300A of the Constitution of India, no shall be deprived of his property save by authority by law. No person. Next question is which of the following schedule deals with union list, state lists and concurrent list in the Constitution of India? Schedule 7. Next question is the title of the Constitution of India is laid down in Article 393. Option D is correct. Next question is constitutional provision of fundamental right are given under which part of the Constitution of India? Part 3. Next question is provision for right of private defense is given between 96 to 106 of IPC. Next question is the consent is not valid consent under section 90 of the IPC. Option D is correct, all of these. Next question is causing of death of child in the mother's womb is not homicide as provided under explanation 3rd of section 299. Option B is correct. Next question is punishment for defamation under Indian Penal Code is simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years. Next question is assault or criminal force to woman with intent to outrage her modesty under IPC in which kind of cognizable and non-bailable offense. Next question is, A places men with firemen at the outlets of a building and tells Jed that they will fire Jed if Jed attempts to leave the building. A is guilty of both wrongful confinement and wrongful restraint. Next question is the provision of plea bargaining under chapter 11A, chapter 21A of the CRPC are not applicable if the offense is committed against a child below the age of 14 years. Option B is correct. Next question is, under section 82 and 83 of the Indian Penal Code, an offense is punishable if it is done by a child. Option B is correct. Next question is, name two essential condition of penal liability: guilty mind and wrongful act. Option C is correct. Next question is, which section deal with the process to compel appearance under Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Section 61 to 90. Option A is correct. An officer for which a police officer may arrest a person without warrant is known as cognizable offense. Next question is, in a summon trial case instituted on a complaint wherein the summon has been issued to the accused, the non-appearance or death of the complainant shall entail. Option C is correct. Next question is, suppose FIR is not registered by the station house officer SHO. What are the options that the complainant has? Approach to superintendent of police, approach to magistrate by filing private complaint. Both of these. Option D is correct. Next question, any police officer making an investigation under section 160 of the CRPC cannot require the attendance of a male at a place other than the place of his residence who is. Option C is correct. Section 125 of the Criminal Procedure Code is secular in character was observed in which of the following case? Lalita Kumari versus State of Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, who has the power of summary trial of a case? Option D is correct, all of these. Next question is, which order of Civil Procedure Code deal with temporary injunction and interlocutory injunction? Order 34. Option B is correct. A is a tradesman in Ahmedabad. B carries on business in Delhi. B by his agent in Ahmedabad buy goods of A and request A to deliver them to the Western Railway Transport Company. A delivers the good accordingly in Ahmedabad. A may sue B for the price of the goods. Option C is correct, in either Ahmedabad or Delhi. Next question is, which of the following section of Civil Procedure Code deals with the concept of res judicata? Section 11. Next question is, Mr. X, Mr. Y and Mr. Z are jointly and severally liable for 10,000 under a decree obtained by Mr. A. Mr. Y obtained a decree for 10,000 against Mr. A signly and applies for execution to the court in which the joint decree is being executed. Which of the following option is correct for Mr. A? Option A is correct. Next question is, A, B and C are corporations of joint Hindu family. They jointly execute or a mortgage in favor of Y. Y files a suit against all of them. Summons is served to C but not to A and B. None of them appear and an ex parte decree is passed against all. A and B applied to set aside the ex parte decree. The decree will be set aside against A, B and C. Option C is correct. Next question is, if someone lies before the court on affidavit, how it can be tackled by the advocates? Option A is correct. Perjury application can be filled. Next question is proclamation for person absconding shall be punished as follows. Option D is correct. Next question is which of the following statement is incorrect? C is correct. Second appeal can be question of fact or law or both. Next question, as per order 6, pleading shall means both plain and written statement. Next question is which of the following order deals with death, marriage and insolvency of parties? Option C is correct. Order 22. Next question is the doctrine of res gestae has been discussed in which section of the Indian Evidence Act? Section 6. When the liability of person who is one of the party to sue depends upon the liability of stranger to the suit, then an admission by the stranger in respect of his liability shall be an admission on the part of that person who is a party to the suit. It has been so proved under which section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Section 19. Next question is judicial evidence means. Option A is correct. Next question is which of the following is not a document according to the Indian Evidence Act? A is correct, B is correct, C is correct. Here correct answer is all of these. Presumption as to dowry death is given under which section? 113B. Which of the following is not secondary evidence as per section 63 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Option D is correct. Copy is not certified under section 63. Next question is which of the following provisions of Civil Procedure Code 1908 deals with the institution of suit? Section 26. Option C is correct. Defendant shall within how many days from the date of service of summon on him present a written statement of his defense? Order 8. Option B is correct, 30 days. Next question is the arbitral tribunal shall not be found by in the determination of rules of procedure. Option D is correct, both. Next question is which of the following section deals with arbitration agreement in Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, section 7. Next question is under what circumstances the arbitral proceeding can be terminated? Final arbitral award, where the arbitral tribunal issued an order for termination. First and third one is correct. Here option A is correct. Under section 29 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, arbitral proceeding with more than one arbitrator, any decision of arbitral tribunal. Option D is correct. Next question is the provision for maintenance pendente light, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 is given in section 24. Next question is a Muslim wife may sue for divorce under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939 section 2 if the husband has been insane for a period of 2 years. Option B is correct. Next question is Muslim woman has option to be governed by the provision of section 125 to 128 of Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Which section of the Muslim Women Protection of Right on Divorce Act 1986 deals with it? Section 7. Next question is which of the following is not a ground of void marriage under section 11 of the Hindu Marriage Act? Child marriage. Option D is correct. Sapinda relationship means third generation mother and fifth generation father. A leading question may be asked in cross examination. Extrajudicial confession means confession made either police or person than judges and magistrate. It means the confession in the front of any friend or family members. The correct answer is here A. Thanks for watching my video.